All right, Black Science TV 111, Osei Kufuor, I'm back at y'all again. Now, this is going to be a very sensitive video for certain people. But keep in mind that I am not a racist because I did not start racism and I do not hate. It's going to be a very sensitive subject for certain people. We run around eating foods of another culture. You eating Chinese food, you're not even a Chinese. You eating European food, and your digestive tract is so magnetic to the point where when you eat it, it shuts down. The magnetism is no longer pulling on the cells that's supposed to regulate your intellect. So now you run around and you out of your mind because of the food that you eating that's not conducive to your genetic structure. When these people came into our land, they brought their diet. Because when they came out of the caves, you have to understand that they were eating flesh. We wasn't in the cave eating flesh. We was eating the best from the earth. All of our foods came from a root, which was electric. Just like we come from a root, which is electric. And we're still in that root. But when we engage in diets, and the word diet, you have D-I-E. This is why we're dying, because we're eating a diet, right, that is not meant for our digestive system. They were herbivores, which means that their anatomy was conducive to things in nature that were electrical, that only had roots connected to it, that had electricity flowing through it. Why? Because your digestive tract as an herbivore is electric. It's condensed light. It's magnetic. And that magnetism or that megahertz slow down in your digestive tract when you put genetically modified foods in it. But when you putting dead flesh in your body, right? The enzymes is not constructed to digest in your body the way it digests inside of a body that is more animalistic, such as lions and dogs. They have canines. They have 2 digestive tracts. We have 4. So it takes longer for our food to break down, meaning that carnivores such as dogs and lions, their stomach acid is more stronger than ours. So as soon as they eat flesh, it breaks down. When you eat flesh, being that you have 4 digestive tracts, meaning that your stomach acid is more suppressed, it's not even strong. It takes longer for it to break down, so it's sitting inside of your gut. And then eventually, guess where it goes? Into your colon. Now you got rotten flesh sitting in your colon. Now by the time you turn 70, you got colon cancer. And remember, everything that you eat vibrates. So those signals go to the brain. And your brain process whatever type of intellect is in your food. Black Science TV 111, Osei Kufuor, I'm out. Peace.